Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including Wipro, Exaro Tiles, UPL, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I'm Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Wipro Limited share is trading around rupees 572. Wipro announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Wipro, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. Ex bonus rate and record date is fixed as 3rd December 2024. Indo-US Biotech Limited, Indo-US, current market price rupees 251. Company announced a dividend of 25 paise per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 3rd December 2024. Exaro Tiles Limited, Exaro, share is trading around rupees 91. Exaro Tiles announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 1000 shares of Exaro Tiles, your 1000 shares convert to 10,000 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 13th December 2024. Achyuth Healthcare Limited, current market price rupees 68. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10 and announced a stock bonus in the ratio 4:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 13th December 2024. UPL Limited, UPL, current market price rupees 566. Company announced rights issue in the ratio 1:8. That means if you have 8 shares of UPL Limited, you can apply for 1 share at the rate rupees 358 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th November 2024. Issue size is 9.38 crore shares. Issue open from 5th December to 11th December 2024. Phoenix Township Limited, share is trading around rupees 239. Phoenix Township announced a dividend of 10 paise per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 6th December 2024. Venus Pipes and Tubes Limited, Venus Pipes, current market price rupees 1624. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Talbros Automotive Components Limited, Talbro Auto, current market price rupees 290. Talbros Automotive announced a dividend of 20 paise per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Taparia Tools Limited, current market price rupees 8.7. Company announced a dividend of rupees 25, that is 250% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Nico Parks and Resorts Limited, current market price rupees 125. Nico Parks and Resorts announced a dividend of 20 paise, that is 20% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Jamna Auto Industries Limited, Jamna Auto, share is trading around rupees 100. Jamna Auto Industries announced a dividend of rupees 1 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 28th November 2024. Dev Information Technology Limited, Dev IT, current market price rupees 161. Company announced a dividend of 25 paise per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th November 2024. Balrampur Chini Mills Limited, Balram Chin, current market price rupees 516. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 25th November 2024. IPOs. Envio Infra Engineers Limited, face value rupees 10 per share. Price band rupees 140 to 148. Lot size 101 shares. Issue opens on 22nd November and closes on 26th November 2024. Envio Infra Engineers Limited, base of allotment on 27th November, initiation of funds 27th November. Credit of shares to demat account 28th November. Listing date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Envio Infra Engineers Limited was established in 2009 and is engaged in the design, construction, operation and maintenance of water and wastewater treatment plants, WWTPs, and water supply projects for government agencies entities. WWTPs include sewage treatment plants, sewerage schemes, and common effluent treatment plants, while WSSPs include water treatment plants along with pumping stations and the laying of pipelines for water supply. The company participates in tender floated by state governments and ULBs for developing WWTPs and WSSPs on an EPC or HAM basis. Till June 30, 2024, the company has successfully developed 28 WWTPs and WSSPs across India in the last 7 years, including 22 projects of 10 MLD capacity and above. This is the balance sheet of NVO Infra Engineers for the last 3 years. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.